Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Core Blockchain. They have a celebration, new Era Airdrop, and we are going to cover that because they are launching the CorePass and the Ping exchange. So like always in my videos, we are going to cover some information about the project, which is a layer 1 and a big ecosystem around it. And we are going to do step by step on how you can get and participate on this airdrop, because the token is not launched yet, and this is a way that you can get these tokens before anyone else. And we are going to discuss everything about the Core Coin and the Core Token, which are two different tokens on this ecosystem, and how you can get those tokens for a very big opportunity of investment before anyone else. So like always, we cover some information about the project. Also, we are going to cover this elite team, and also Roland Hanson, which is the person that defined the concept of Windows on Microsoft, is also part of the board and members of this project. So big personalities, an elite team of developers and CEO. We are going to cover all the information of Core in detail, because you are going to see the many opportunities to make money that we are going to find here in this video. Like always guys, before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well today we are going to cover Core Blockchain. This is most like a project review, but we also have an airdrop which is confirmed because of the celebration of some launch projects on this ecosystem. So we are going to cover the blockchain layer 1 solution of Core Blockchain, but actually we are going to talk a little bit about the full ecosystem, because they have many projects launching to right now, and that is why they are doing an airdrop to reward early adopters. But I want to give you a big picture of how this ecosystem works and all the opportunities that we could get here to invest in this project before anyone else. And I'm going to show you a way where you can actually mine these tokens too and get those tokens before it's listed in the exchanges. So we are going to cover some information, so stay with me so you really understand the ecosystem. Core Blockchain is doing an airdrop celebrating their 1 year from the launch on May 6 of 2022, and now coming with the first use cases and apps, which are CorePass and Ping exchange. So we are going to cover that in a bit. Core Coin is a cryptocurrency native to the Core Blockchain network. So coreblockchain.cc, this is the website. You will be able to find all the information about this blockchain here. And here you also have some information of core mining, because you can download the download miner and actually start mining this token too. So this is the webpage of coreblockchain.cc. So you are going to be able to check all that information here. So Core Coin is the cryptocurrency of this Core Blockchain network. The early supply of Core Coin XCB is roughly 18 to 22.5 million tokens. Its natural demand will be sustained through network fees called energy and transaction cost. Moreover, Core Coin should be the central currency throughout the dApps that developers can create on Core Blockchain. And for the other hand, we have Core Token, which is the facilitator of the Core Blockchain network, which raises the bar with its AD448 cryptographic security. And here you have the URL for Core Token, which is coretoken.net. So all the information about Core Token is going to be here also, so you can review it and check everything there. But Core Token CTN has a supply of 1 billion units, which warrants its value to keep on increasing through natural high demand. The natural demand for Core Token should be provided by the plethora of the apps developed by CTN's creator, the Core company, which has been developing platforms based around Core Blockchain for 9 years now. So this is all around Core Blockchain, the first point of this ecosystem. And the second part here is CoDeTech, which is part of the Core ecosystem. So over the years, as the blockchain itself developed, there was also a deliberate effort to create applications and services that will be directly deployed on the decentralized Core Blockchain network and Luna Mesh. So here you have CoDeTech.cc. This is the website for this other part of the ecosystem, which is CoDeTech. And here you can see this is the part of the project of the ecosystem where they are building the centralized peer-to-peer and blockchain technologies. And a very interesting part of this website is that you have actually direct access to the light paper there. And there are many interesting information to check, but here you can see some of those projects. This is the Core Settlement, the Luna Mesh, Ting and Minting, Heyo, TokTokay, CorePass, Core Agri, Core Smart City, Core Gov, and Core Bond. So these are all different projects, and you will be able to check all that information here on the light paper. And here, guys, you can see, and the team is super transparent. You can see the board of directors. Ockert Losberg is the CEO of the company, and you can check the page in LinkedIn. A very complete profile, a lot of experience in crypto and blockchain technologies from many years already. And you can see the list of members here on the board of directors. But I just want to mention again to Roland Hanson. He was the person that defined the concept of Windows for Microsoft. But you can check also the very complete experience on jobs as founder, co-founders. And here you can see on Microsoft a vice president of communication and consultant. So this is a very big personality which is supporting the project. And I will share with you an interview from another YouTube channel with more than 1 million followers that did an interview with the team. Super interesting. All the members of the board talking about the different aspects of the project. You will see the CEO talking about the technology and the project, and you are going to see how this ecosystem has been built from the last 9 years. And this is crazy how maybe the core blockchain, the core ecosystem is really passing under the radar. So like I was mentioned, the ecosystem consists of some of these projects. CorePass, which is the pioneer in digital identity protection, and the new era celebration is because of the launch of CorePass and Pink Exchange, which is an hybrid platform with an unparalleled utilization of blockchain and the first exchange to offer XCB and CTN. So these are the two tokens that we commented before. And this exchange is the first use case of CorePass, which uses KYC verification as well as seamless login. Then we have Ting Meeting, which is a decentralized peer-to-peer borderless video streaming platform and online conference platform. We have Heyo. The Heyo application is designed to be the world's most secure communication tool thanks to blockchain technology. The application can even work without any form of connection, without a SIM card, even without an internet connection, while you still can make video calls, data calls, send messages, and more. So that is super crazy. I would really like to go deep in how that application works. We have also CorePay, which is a decentralized blockchain-based payment gateway. We have TokTokay, TTK, which is a revolutionary decentralized e-commerce and content recognition platform. And like I mentioned before, we have Luna Mesh with mesh networking, multi-purpose data streaming platform, and least mine infrastructure solution. Luna Mesh is a decentralized borderless network topology infrastructure of nodes connected directly, dynamically, and non-hierarchically for interactive streaming of blockchain-based encrypted data. This is all part of the ecosystem. So summarizing some points that I wanted to comment also is that the company is going public very soon. So that also gives a lot of confidence to invest on these kind of projects. They have more than 40 employees full-time. Interesting fact, the project differentiates from another blockchains because of the competition with its state-of-the-art security measures, deploying the most unique Edwards curve AD 448 Goldilocks cryptography, which has never been used in a blockchain before. So this is the only blockchain that used that in cryptographic code. I researched a little bit, and that is what the NASA and the FBI use for encryption and cryptographic designs. So it's a very high level of technology, guys, and never used it in any blockchain before. And like I mentioned before, I think it's very important to mention that Roland Hanson the creator of the Windows concept with Bill Gates, is involved in this project also and is in the boards on the website. So now let's check the airdrop of New Era. So first you can check the Twitter account and you can subscribe there. Then here on the point 2 you have the Core Blockchain website, so for you to review, and you have in the step 3 the Core token, which we already commented. I'm going to comment you after the airdrop review how you can get each of these 2 tokens, because right now are not in the market, are going to be in the market very soon, but you also have a way to get the tokens doing the airdrop, and also you can mine the tokens. In the point 4 I put a link for this YouTube channel. This is a great interview to the team, and this is a channel called Redacted. This is almost 2 million followers, and this is 51 minutes of an interview to the team. I learned a lot of how this ecosystem works from that interview, so I recommend you to check it. On the point 5 here you have the New Era airdrop steps, which are the ones that we are going to cover right away. But if you have any doubts, you can go directly to the Medium page where everything is explained, and is what I'm going to share with you. Point 6, you have the Core Blockchain YouTube channel. They have a proprietary YouTube channel where you can check many things about Core Blockchain. And the point 7 is one of the videos that I found on how you can mine the Core Coin XCB. So before getting into the market, you can start mining that token even with your cell phone. So go and check that. And in the point 8 you have the light paper of CoDeTech that we already covered, so you understand very well the ecosystem. So the airdrop will expire on the 30th of May, after which is expected that CorePass ID and Ping Exchange Alpha will officially release, so we have the promotion around 2 weeks. Now, covering the New Era airdrop, this is a BR and early adopter on CoreTech. The time is up to announce that the upcoming releases of the CorePass ID app, the pioneering digital identity protection, and Ping Exchange, a unique hybrid trading platform with 10 years of development, the first core blockchain-based platform, are entering the market, promising a new era of peer-to-peer communication. The CorePass ID allows you to digitalize all your documents and serves as a login gateway for a myriad of applications within, but not limited to, the core blockchain ecosystem. And Ping Exchange will pose as the first hybrid platform of its kind to fully utilize the blockchain potential, offering the security of a decentralized environment and the speed and compliance of a centralized one. So to celebrate this milestone, we composed a special pre-launch event in collaboration with CorePass and Ping Exchange starting now. They are introducing the early adopter NFT. Core invites you to be part of the release process upon the launch of the 2 platforms. So Core will be rewarding everyone who participates in this event utilizing the technology with exclusive early adopter NFT. The asset will provide a unique opportunity for you to receive 654 core tokens. So you can see here, guys, how this NFT is going to serve you to claim these 654 tokens, which, like I mentioned before, they have from 18 to 22.5 million tokens. This is going to be a lot, guys. This amount of tokens could be worth a lot. And obtain an honorable badge as one of the very first supporters of the CorePass ID app and the entire core blockchain system. How to become an early adopter and receive the early adopter NFT? Well, you need to complete these steps. So step 1, guys, is download the CorePass Test ID application. If you use Google Play, Android, you can use that. If you have an iPhone, you can use this iOS version. So you need to install TestFly application. So you click there and you will be able to install this for free on your phone. And then from there you can click just this link that will download this app. Step 2 is that you need to verify at least one document for a successful KYC. And this is the part I understand. Most of my audience doesn't like KYC. But guys, you did that for a couple of tokens on Sui. So I think it's worth it to do it here for this. This is a very serious ecosystem that I cannot explain the magnitude of what I see on this project and this ecosystem that is super under the radar. You already registered in OKX, KuCoin, and Bybit just for a couple of sweet tokens. So you can do just one document of KYC in order to get these tokens that you are going to be sure to get them. And you can see here that when you are asked for credit card information, you can use the test credit card generator to fill in the details. So here is also the link for that. You don't need to put that real information. Then you need to click on government documents in your dashboard, choose a document to verify, buy a document verification voucher, continue with the instructions provided with the application. After you finish that, and guys, sorry I cannot show you because it's in a cell phone application, you need to go to step 3, which is verify your email or your phone number. Again, if you for any reason are asked for credit card information, you just click this test credit card generator. So here for verify, you click on contact information on your dashboard, choose either email or phones, buy a contact information voucher, continue with the instructions provided with the application. After doing that, you are almost finishing. So you need to follow our social media and enroll as an early adopter. To simplify the process, a dedicated form has been arranged via Google Forms. So you click here, you are going to be sent to this Google form where basically you need to confirm your email first. Then you go to page 2 where you need to put your name, Twitter username, and here you need to enter your core ID, which is on your application. Enter your address here. This needs to be the one that you put to verify your CorePass, and you move to page 3. Really easy to finish that. So after filling out the form and completing all the steps above, they are going to review your activity and send you a QR code via email. So you need to scan it in the CorePass ID application to receive your exclusive NFT. And you will find the NFT in your application in the NFT voucher section. So congratulations. So those are the steps, guys. Are not difficult to do. Download the application, complete the documentation process, and you are going to be mostly done. So guys, regarding how to get these tokens for Core Coin XCB, this is the coin that is now only possible to mine. Here are some tutorials, so I will put all these links that I found out. And here you have Catch the Rabbit is the first official mining pool. And here is also the link for the official explorer. And this is the URL for the YouTube video tutorial of mining on phones. So with this information, you're going to be able to mine the XCB tokens. And there's an official mining community Telegram channel too. So this is Core Coin Mining. So people can ask for any help with the current miners there. But there's also some important thing to mention, which is that Core Coin will be possible to trade for the first time on Ping Exchange. You will be able to get the best opportunity at the beginning of trading, and after some time, of course, they are going to list it on many major exchanges. I have also checked that and read that on their Discord, and that it means that it will be traded for a very special undervalued price at the beginning in Ping Exchange. The yearly supply is the same as Ethereum, so in case of success, they can be at the same valuation. The preliminary listing price is set to €1 per token, so the supply is like the same, similar to Ethereum. So you can see that if this ecosystem and this blockchain succeed, €1 per token is really cheap right now, guys. You can mine those tokens or you can actually buy them in Ping Exchange at the end of the month. And for Core Token, it's also not possible to buy at this stage, but there are two opportunities. So you can participate in the New Era campaign airdrop, which is what we already covered, to get these 654 tokens. Or you also have the opportunity to buy a special non-art NFT called Vega, which consists on 2,500 CTN and 1-year contract for Core Coin mining with an average performance of 750. This is possible to buy on this link, so I will put it also in the post in my website, and you have an explanatory video there if you want to check it. And the same with Core Token is the scenario with the listing on Ping Exchange. CTN will be possible for the first time to trade on Ping Exchange, and the preliminary listing price is set €20, so this is per token. So here you have the preliminary listing price, and these are the options for you to get into these tokens. So for Core Token or for Core Coin. I know guys, this is a lot of information about this ecosystem, but I really think that this video worth it in terms for you to understand the complexity and all that this team has been working, because they have a complete ecosystem around this blockchain and with technology that we didn't see yet in blockchain and crypto. So I would recommend you to stay tuned, follow them on Twitter, follow them on Discord. Stay tuned for the launch of this exchange and the CorePass and all the other products that they have. I also will recommend you again to check this YouTube video where they have an interview with the complete team. It's super entertaining, and you will learn also a lot about this ecosystem and why I am super bullish now that I found out about Core Blockchain and what we can expect being early on this ecosystem. For sure, this is not financial advice, but I'm going to participate on this airdrop, and I'm going to participate probably on the mining of the token, and I probably will buy something on the launch of these two tokens on Ping Exchange. Not financial advice, it's only a review of a project that I am really bullish right now. So if you have any doubts, go to my website, all this information again, I will put all the links there for you. So you don't need to worry about anything. Everything that I have been reviewing here is going to be on the post of my link. So check the first link on the description, guys. That will be all for Core Blockchain Airdrop. And remember that if you are super bullish on airdrops and you want to be an airdrop hunter, I have an application that is going to help you a lot. You can check my 2 videos on how my app works at cryptocurrencystate.net/subscription. And I have a private Discord where we discuss alpha airdrops, how to apply to them, how to be on the distribution of the tokens so you don't miss any of those. We are bullish on BRC20, we are bullish on meme coins right now, making a lot of money with free airdrops. So we are actually killing it on my Discord. Check my subscriptions, check my video, and don't forget to check all this information of this Alpha Core Blockchain Airdrop. That will be all, guys. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.